Hey guys, it's Isaac here. I'm gonna show them this dog first. It just runs away. That dog runs away. And they just start barking for no apparent reason. That's just weird. So this video is basically about how lazy the cats are. So the one with orange and white stripes is mine. The gray one with white stripes is not mine. Oh, finally I woke up. It's been hours. Wait, did they actually wake up or they're going back to sleep? That's what I just don't understand about cats. They wake up for 1 second and then they just start sleeping. Comment down in the section below if you have cats or dogs. Guys, I just thought of something better than a giveaway. Maybe I can actually do something better than a giveaway. Comment down something better than a giveaway. And all I want to say is thanks for watching. See you on the next one.